Apply a lightweight brightening sunscreen. Koreans tend not to use matte products. They prefer a clear and hydrated finish. Curl your lashes first before anything. This can prevent eye makeup from smudging. Add definition to the ends of your eyes and dip in the folds. Use a thin brush to add a darker color, then use your fingers to naturally blend. This can emphasize your crease. Slightly move your mascara left and right to prevent clumpy application. Use glitter to add a little glam. Use lipstick as a blush. It lasts longer than regular brush and makes your skin look hydrated. I added a little more product to the tip of my nose and added contour. This can help with making your face look shorter and younger.
I've been running, keep on gunning, stop the fronting on your words. It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hang on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm